Oh, ito na. Oh, hello guys! We're live again. Back with Immaculate. Mga Immaculate. Ayan.
After loaded and unloaded.
Oh, loaded na daw kami. We just finished our meal from the Bergs. Alright, the Bergs. And Tita Lani's car, where is she? Over there. Oh, Pia is driving. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, Pia, slow down. Hey, slow down, Pia. Our English.
Gasolina.
Gasolina.
Diesel.
Diesel. Oh, okay.
I drive like I'm in EDSA.
Oh, yeah. Drive like an EDSA. All right. Ay, Ate Melanie, up there. Ayun. Oh, naubos na. Lintik na aba. Nosebleed na kami. Nosebleed. Bisaya. Good. Okay. Is anyone listening Bisaya? Oh, Bisaya. Good. Oh, yun.
Like in EDSA.
Oh, yeah. See, traffic kami. Ayan, traffic. Traffic nga. Oh, tinan mo. Nasa EDSA kami daw. Nasa traffic. Oh, ayan. Ito pa. Busy pa Facebook. Oh, ano. si Madam Blondie kami. Blondie. Show them your blonde hair. Yeah.
This is the hair of the blonde.
All right.
This is the hair of Neil.
Pa-shout out kay Neil. Nandun pa sila sa St. Bergs. Kumakain pa. Lumalaman pa sila doon. Lumalaman pa talaga. MJ, naman sabi mo, busog na busog ka na ba talaga? Yan, mag-take away pa si MJ. Tingnan mo talaga. Ako yung isa lang. Ayan, no, yung sa akin. Ang kasi Rachel, yun sa baba. Ayun.
Dalawa pa.
Dalawa pa daw. Oo nga eh. Eyes on the road, Pia. Okay? Not on the phone. Ang galing ng Uber driver namin. Talaga naman. Super. The best. Ayan. Oo, ano to? Itong isa ito mag-merge ito. Bahala siya. Ayan. I don't care. Ano na yung babae?
Baby lang yung kanyang car.
Kaya nga eh. Ayan na si Ate Lani sa harap. Ayan. Ate Lani, ayan ala. Oy, wag mong bungguin ha. Malaki insurance mo. Ate. Oo nga eh. Sige, safe drive mga kapatid. Ayan. Yan. Yan si Ate Lani. Ayun na, naka-live kami kay Ate Lani. Ayan, Ate Lan. Ate Lan. Ay, hindi talaga nakita, Oo nga, hindi talaga nakatingin. Ang kukulit, Ate Lani. Ayaw talaga makita. Ayaw talaga tumingin
Concentrated si Tito sa
ang iingay. Grabe. Ayan si Pia. Grabe talaga mag-drive, may ambulance sa harap, Pia. Dahan-dahan lang po kami. Ayan, oh my goodness. Ayan, Ayan, napunta kami sa freeway na kami. Mga busog na ba? Mga busog. Ako hindi na makahinga
Kabusugan
busog na kami. Busog.
Thank you,
Ayan. Yan mga pa-beauty. May mga
i-vlog mo yan.
i-vlog ko pa ba yun? Sorry, i-vlog ko muna yung mukha ko kahit pangit. Kilay daw. Tingnan yung kilay ko. Promoting Charis kilay. Alright. Maganda daw yan. Half an hour kilay. Isang oras.
Isang oras niya ginawa.
1 hour. How to make
1 hour to do my eyebrows. Okay? I'll give you a tip about my eyebrows. Okay?
May tip
Ano daw tip? Sige nga, sabihin.
Basta driver, sweet lover.
Yung tip daw kailangan, ayan, maganda daw yun. Diba? Anong tip sa blonde hair? Okay.
When your hair is blonde, you have a lot of fun.
Yay! Okay, yun. Yun daw ang tip ng blonde. Ano naman dito sa kulot?
Straight na ngayon. Sorry.
Ay, ito. Ito yung kulot. Ito pala ito yung kulot. Ayan. Ay, ang iingay nyo. Patay tayo dito.
Lahat ng kulot, salot.
Yun. Oh, hindi daw. Magaganda yan, oh.
Exotic.
Exotic
Ay,
kulot.
Exotic ang kulot.
A curly hair is a nice hair. Okay, mag-English daw kami. O, diretso. O, ano naman ang sa straight beautiful hair kay Pia? Ay, hindi ko i-survive kasi nagda-drive na ako. Sorry po. Ayun, sorry po. Ayan.
Kulot pala.
Ay! Talaga?
O, kulot pa rin. Ayan.
Patingin? Hindi nga.
Naka-laser yan.
Ay, no. Naka-live tayo. Naka-live na walang seat.
Time first.
Oh, diba?
Time first.
Ano ba yan? Wag English. Ayun. I don't know.
Medium.
Medium.
Extra large.
Extra large
Extra
medium
large.
daw. Oh, yun.
Extra large.
Ay,
Ay,
hello.
ang laki.
Hello sa mga viewers namin. Magaganda daw kami. Oh, sige. Mga
Oy.
viewers namin. Oh, blonde hair.
Meron
Dito
tayo.
viewer. Ay, ito maganda. Oh,
Meron
yun.
tayong 1.5 viewers.
Isa lang ang viewers namin. Si MJ lang.
1.5 ba yan?
Ay, alam yun.
Hindi niya na kinaya.
Wala tayong mga viewers. Si MJ lang. Ay, naku.
Wala.
Nandito.
Ano ba tayo lang nag-review?
kami lang nag-review.
Oy,
Ayan.
mag-view kayo.
Ayan. Oo. Sige, charot. Ayun. Behave na daw kami. Behave na kami. Ayan. Nasa Westgate Freeway kami. Nasaan na ba tayo? Ayun. Westgate Freeway ba? Saan ba tayo? Nasaan na ba kami?
Nasa Earth.
Nasa Queensland ba tayo? Nasa Sydney.
Nasa Earth tayo. Nasa Earth.
Ayun, nasa Earth. Oh, ayun. Yung city daw. Yan. Oo, ayan.
Park Drive.
Ay,
Ayan ang
kaya
city.
pala.
Ang saya-saya.
Oo, saya-saya namin. Mga busog kasi kaya makukulit.
Bulaklak. Woo!
We were all full, that's why we're... Ayan.
Laki.
Ang
Yeah.
laki-laki.
Ng bulaklak.
Bulaklak.
Woo!
Woo! Kaya,
Ang bango-bango.
Ang bango-bango.
Ng bulaklak. Woo!
we're just all full. Hello. Hello, viewers.
Oh, ganda ng kilay, oh.
Again, I have to blog my eyebrows. Okay. All right. Yeah, we're just having fun, guys. Okay. All right. Oh, there's a guy that's watching us when we're doing blowing. Blah 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 blah. We're blowing. Blowing. Oh yeah. He's looking at us. Okay. All right. Yeah. Blow.
Ano
Baka kakaiba yung
I will you blow? Oh, blow my
Bakit may
hair.
blowing,
Alright,
blowing
okay.
yan?
I don't know.
Hindi ko alam yan.
Someone's watching. Alright, so I say hello to everyone, to all the viewers.
Hi, all viewers.
Hello, everyone.
Thanks for viewing this lady.
Click
Yeah.
subscribe.
Please
Share.
Yes, share. Click the button under there
Please
somewhere.
don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Put a comments if you like. Good comments, not bad comments, please.
Iba din
And be
talaga.
nice.
Accepting
okay?
anything, comments.
Yeah. We're not accepting money. Cash. Yeah, I think I need to make a career in the blogger. Vlogging ba yun? Tama ba yun? Tama ba yung mga vlogger? Ano? Oh.
Yes.
Busy lang ito.
Vlogging. Sorry, busy ako.
Vlogging daw. Oh, they call it vlogging. All right. I had to be clear with my English. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know they are singing. Oh, like two hands now. Two hands. Which one's two hands? 2, 3.
Sawa din.
Hands in the wheels. Hands in the wheels. Okay. Yeah. All right.
What's this? Ice on the road?
Eyes on the road. Hands in there somewhere. Oh yeah. Two hands, Pia. Oh, okay. Oh no. All right. Oh, thanks everyone for watching. I love you all. Thanks everyone and have a
Thanks so
good
much,
weekend. Bye. Ciao.
Bonjour.
Ciao. Ayan. Ciao na daw kami. Ciao na. Alright everyone. Have a good weekend. We love you all. God bless. Bye.